Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain visitor counter project using 7 segment display. So this is the basic overview of this project. So the object counter or visitor counter is nothing but whenever the person enters into a room, then the number of persons has to be displayed in a 7 segment display. So that means there are two sensors, there are two gates, entrance gate and exit gate. So whenever the person enters into a entrance gate, then the sensor will sense and it detects the some person entered, then the counter will be incremented to 1 in the display. So whenever some person exits from exit gate, then the counter will be decremented and the counter value is updated in the display. It's a just overview of this project. Let's see a block diagram of this project. So this is the block diagram. So as I told, there are two gates, entrance gate and exit gate. So it is the sensor is made up of infrared transmitter and infrared receiver, that is IR LED and photodiode. So this combination IR's infrared sensors already discussed in the previous video that you can see in my previous video, that is in obstacle avoidance robot. So as I told, whenever the person enters, some person enters from entry gate, so there is a IR rays continuously transmitting from IR LED to photodiode. So now there is an obstacle, it will detect and it will give 1 to the microcontroller. So by default the input to the microcontroller is 0. Whenever there is a person enters, then the input to the microcontroller will change to 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So same way the exit sensor also works. So whenever the person leaves, there is an obstacle, so it will detect that obstacle, so it will give 1 to the microcontroller. So there is a 7 segment display we use. Two 7 segments we need to I am using here, that is we can display 0 to 99 maximum number. So this interfacing 7 segment display in multiplex mode I already discussed in my previous video, that is this one. So that is 7 segment interfacing with microcontroller. So now let's see the circuit diagram for this project. So this is the circuit diagram as I told. So initially the input to the microcontroller is 0. So whenever there is an entrance sensor, this is exit sensor. So whenever the person enters, then the entrance sensor will detect 1. So then input to the microcontroller will be 1. So there will be some logic inside. Whenever the person enters, then the counter should increment, and whenever the person leaves through exit gate, then the counter should decrease. So the same value it will be displayed in a 7 segment display as shown here. So let me give a text here. This is entrance, this is entrance gate, and this is exit gate. So now let's start write a program for this. In my previous video I already explained how to interface this 7 segment display. So that is this one. So this logic I already explained in my previous video. So you can see this 7 segment interfacing with microcontroller video. So now I would like to concentrate on mainly the main logic, that is whenever the sensor detects the counter part and the display part already discussed in the previous video. So there is a simple logic we can write. So along with this code I am just adding few more lines. This is the main logic. So previous code I already explained in my previous video. So here I am just adding two sensors, that is entrance sensor and exit sensor, which are connected to port 10, port 11. So as shown in this schematic. So I am just writing initially I made it to 0, so to detect 1. So whenever the entrance sensor is 1, that means somebody enters through entrance sensor. So this condition will satisfy, then it will come below loop. So and there will be some delay required here. So this is the debounce time required. So I'm just checking the condition before incrementing the counter. So maximum we can display 99 only. So if it cross 99, so there should be a condition to stop incrementing after 99. So that means if it is greater than 99 are equal to, then it will state at 99 only. So if it is the counter is less than 99, then it will increment. So this is the maximum condition we can avoid using this. So now whenever the entrance sensor detects of some person, then the counter will be incremented. Now the counter value is 1. Now the 1 is displayed using this LCD code using 7 segment. So now whenever the second person enters, again this will be true, again it will enter, again the counter will be 2, and 3, 4, 5. So it will maximum it will reach 99 based on the number of persons entering. So and there is exit sensor. Whenever the persons exits, so suppose now the count is 10. So one person left from the room. So then the exit sensor will detect 1, then this condition will be true. So in that case we need to decrement the counter. Now the persons are 10, total number of persons are 10. So if you decrement the count will be 9, so it has to display 9. So for that here also we need a small logic. Here there will be some debounce time, and then if it is the count value is not equal to 0, so then only it has to decrement the loop. So if it is 0, so it should stay the loop value, count value 0 only. So just to avoid, if it is 0 it should not decrement further. That is the reason we are using this small logic. So whenever exit sensor detects, it decrements basically. That means now the previously the count value is 10, so now it will come to 9. So if some next person also exit, the second person also exits, then again this sensor will detect, again the count will be decreased, and so on. So let's execute this code and try in Proteus simulation. So let me play this. So now initially the count value is 0, both the sensors not detect anything. So now first I'm just one person is entering, so now the count is 1. As you see, it's incremented, so whenever the sensor detects. So now I'm just a second person entering, so now the count is 2. Third person entering, count 3. Fourth person entering, count 4, and so on. So if one person exits, for example, now exit sensor is activating, so now the count is 4. So now one person exit, then now the count is 3. So again one more person left, so the count is 2, and then 1 and then 0. So it stays till 0 only if even exit sensor works. So this is about a visitor counter using 7 segment display. Thanks for watching, and I'm posting interview questions in my community tab. So as you see here, this will be very useful who is attending interviews. So please check this community tab. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.